Ever wondered how far the reach of the iconic Black Horse extends? When you think of Lloyds Bank, your mind likely conjures images of British high streets and a deeply rooted history within the UK. But is Lloyds Bank purely a domestic institution, or does its financial footprint stretch across continents? The answer, like many things in the complex world of global finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Lloyds Bank, as a core retail and commercial bank, is indeed primarily focused on the United Kingdom. Its extensive network of branches and services across England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland firmly establishes it as a major player in the British financial landscape. From bustling city centers to rural towns, you'll find Lloyds Bank serving individuals and businesses alike, offering a wide array of products from current accounts and mortgages to business loans and wealth management. However, saying Lloyds Bank is only in the UK would be missing a crucial part of the picture. This is where the distinction between Lloyds Bank and its parent company, Lloyds Banking Group, becomes important. Lloyds Banking Group is a much broader entity, encompassing various well-known brands like Halifax, Bank of Scotland, and Scottish Widows. While these brands largely operate within the UK, the group does have a targeted international presence, particularly for its commercial and international banking services. Specifically, when we talk about Lloyds Bank's international reach, we're largely referring to Lloyds Bank Corporate Markets plc and Lloyds Bank International. These entities cater to different needs than your everyday high street banking. Lloyds Bank International, for instance, focuses on providing banking solutions for individuals who have international financial needs, such as expatriates, those moving abroad, or investors managing assets across multiple currencies. They offer international current accounts in sterling, euro, and US dollar, along with international savings accounts and foreign exchange services. These services are often managed from locations like the Channel Islands, Jersey, Guernsey, and the Isle of Man, which are well-established offshore financial centers. For corporate clients, Lloyds Bank Corporate Markets plc extends its services to facilitate international trade and provide support to businesses with strong links to the UK. While they don't have a vast retail branch network globally like some other international banks, they maintain a presence in key financial hubs. This includes operations in North America, with teams focused on supporting businesses that have a connection to the UK. They also have a presence in Europe, notably with the European Union headquarters in Berlin, Germany, and historical operations that once spanned various European countries. It's important to note that Lloyds Bank's international strategy has evolved over time. While historically it had a more expansive global retail presence, including operations in places like New Zealand and parts of South America, the current focus is more concentrated on supporting UK-centric international business and catering to specific international personal banking needs. So, while you won't find a Lloyds Bank branch on every street corner in every country, its international services are strategically placed to support its core customer base and their cross-border financial requirements. So, to recap, while the familiar Black Horse is most prominently seen across the UK, Lloyds Bank, through its specialized international divisions, does have a presence that stretches beyond British shores, primarily serving international banking needs for individuals and supporting corporate clients with global ties. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.